particles, molecules, atoms, and ions move from one region or area to another. These movements will depend on the number of these substances within the region. This area can be separated by a membrane or without a membrane. This is Biology Online Class with Teacher Jeffrey. Welcome! Our topic is still under the principles of biology, movement of substances. We will learn diffusion. Let's go! Today's online class, we will describe diffusion as a passive movement of substances from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration down the concentration gradient. We will also learn examples of diffusion. Diffusion are movements of substances. These substances are ions, atoms, molecules, and particles. Inside the box, you can see circles. These represent the substances. On the left, there are 5 substances, meaning this area has higher concentration. On the right, there are 3 circles, and these are 3 substances. This area has lower concentration, so substances move to the right. Diffusion occurs with or without a membrane. The movement stops when it reaches equilibrium. It means that the number of substances on the left and right are equal. This is what we call as the state of equilibrium. We will now go to examples of diffusion. Movement of gases during photosynthesis is an example of diffusion. Carbon dioxide goes in and oxygen goes out through the stomata of the leaf. This takes place during daytime. Movement of gases during respiration is another example of diffusion. Oxygen goes in and carbon dioxide goes out through the stomata of the leaf. This takes place during nighttime. When animals and humans respire, this is another example of diffusion. Oxygen goes in and carbon dioxide goes out through the nose. Spraying perfume is another example of diffusion. Perfume from the bottle being sprayed out of the bottle, so it moves from the higher concentration out into the lower concentration. But here it does not need or require a membrane. For our takeaway, diffusion is a passive movement of substances from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration down the concentration gradient. We also give examples of diffusion like movement of gases during photosynthesis, respiration in plants and animals, and spraying of perfume. It's time for our quick check. The question is, which are examples of diffusion? 1. Spraying of perfume. 2. Movement of gases during respiration in animals. 3. Movement of water molecules during plant absorption. 4. Plant takes in carbon dioxide and takes out oxygen during photosynthesis. Will it be A, 1, 2, and 3, B, 1, 2, and 4, C, 2, 3, and 4, or D, 2 and 4 only? Write your answer in the comment box below. You may start answering now. Congratulations! You are done with the topic, diffusion. Bye for now. This is Teacher Jeffrey. Always remember, A goal without a plan is just a wish.